Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to search by image on AliExpress. First of all, what you have to do is launch up an AliExpress application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here AliExpress application has been opened. So if you want to search an item by image, it is actually very simple. At top, you'll be able to see the search bar over here. Right over here in the search bar, you'll be able to find the camera icon. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here the camera will be opened up. You can take a photo if you want. If you do not want to take a photo, you can also pick from the album. Here I'm just going to pick from the album. So what you have to do is simply tap on the image that you would like to use in order to search. Now after you do that, simply wait for a while. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find the best match. You'll be able to find the items matching to the image over here. So like this, you'll be able to search by image. So that is how you search by image on AliExpress. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.